Are you tired of every time you walk in the kitchen, your dish towel or kitchen towel's in the floor? Or maybe you wash your hands and you go to get a towel and there isn't one? So we've got the perfect solution for either one of those instances, either the missing towel or the towel on the floor. So this towel is decorative and designed to hook right onto the stove, to the handle of the stove. It just wraps around very simply and easily. No buttons to come loose or anything like that. You can tug on it as hard as you want. Wash your hands at the sink, come over, dry your hands, and you're ready to go. Also, if you've got a mess on the stovetop or countertop somewhere and you need to get it off of the stove or the handle, it's very easy. Just pull the loop. It comes right off. You can use it and then put it right back in just a quick second. So these are intended to be fully functional towels. So they are folded so that they look neat when you've got it hanging, but it is a fully functioning towel. You've got the full width of the towel here. It is intended to be very useful. They are machine washable. You mess them up, get them dirty, use them, throw them in the washing machine, and you're good to go. So make sure you favorite our Etsy shop or subscribe to our YouTube or social media, Facebook, Instagram, so you can see when we've got new inventory of towels out. We always have a variety of them. Sometimes they will be like this yellow one I've got here that are just, an interesting color. A lot of times they will be more holiday or seasonally themed, like this Easter towel. So make sure you favorite those things so you can check them out as the towels rotate. We'll normally have towels available if you're looking for them, but a lot of times the stock changes, so we don't have a lot of any single color or design, but make sure you come back frequently and shop regularly, and we'd love to see you, and we'd love to ship these to you.